Hi everyone, welcome to the Dad Gardener. I'm your host Jace Bowen and welcome to today's episode. On today's show we're going to talk about light and shade in your veggie garden. Okay, so I've got a lot of plants that require a little bit more light, and I've got this huge canopy that needs a bit of a trim and a branch down behind me over there. So let's prune that and let's give it a go. Okay, so as you can see the tree's got quite a few thick branches on it. I'm going to grab some loppers. I'm going to give them a prune. And this is the branch that's come down in the storm last week. Okay. And over here in my tomatoes, we have a chook that's laid an egg, which is very unusual. Flatten that poor little tomato there, but I thought I'd just share that with you. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is prune this branch back here with the soil. Okay, so this tree that we're actually pruning today, it's Logan Berry, and you can make stews and jams and stuff like that with it. I'm not going to do any of that stuff, but it's not too bad. Actually tastes okay. Okay, so now I've got to clean all this mess up and take it to the tip.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so we've got the trusty Triton here, a lot better than the Ford Ranger, full of branches, and let's go to the tip and get rid of those. Alright. Okay, so we're at the tip, and there's a big branch pile. Yeah, where all our branches go. and it gets turned into some mulch. That's what happens in our local area. As you can see, I've let a lot more light in the garden just by taking a lot of the branches away, and it looks a lot better. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember, give it a like and even subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. Thanks guys.